My name is Ethan Stolberg. Today I will be making oatmeal sandwich cookies by Melissa Clark from the New York Times. I don't like mine with shredded coconuts and dates. I just use the plain cookie. So that's how I will be making it today. Preheated my oven to 375 degrees. 1 cup of unsalted butter, and we're gonna lock that until it's light and fluffy. 1 3/4 cups of packed, I use light brown sugar, they use dark brown sugar. Now, you're gonna add the honey. Use a little oil. We're coating this with oil. It slides right off. You're gonna wanna beat this like this for about 5 minutes, and then I'll see you once this is done beating. Get over another bowl. If we accidentally get any eggshell, we don't get it in our mixture. Then we can do our second one. Over here to the side, and go wash our hands with soap. We're gonna start beating in these eggs. Slowly pour it in. Put 1 egg yolk in, and then put the other one. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. That. To scrape down the sides of the bowl. To start the dry mixture off, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon also. Then we're going to go on the lowest speed possible and slowly add in the mixture. There we go. We're going to add our oats, 3 cups of oats. There we go. There's a tiny bit of butter left over in here. And then just on the corners, and it doesn't slide around. Just enough for it to stick. There we go. We are going to make sure our hands are clean. Roll up our sleeves. We are going to want this cinnamon sugar mixture, which is basically just 75% sugar and 25% cinnamon. I already have mine unplugged. Scrape that off. Take this bowl here. Then we're going to take a heaping tablespoon like this. You can shape it into a ball-ish shape. Drop it in the cinnamon sugar. It's getting one side, and then dropping the other side and pressing, and just rolling on the edges. And you're going to put it in your preheated 375 degree oven for about 15 minutes. Yay, fresh batch of oatmeal cookies. To let them set for a minute or 2. Once they've set here, there we go. So now I'm going to invite my sister here to try them with me.